Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below letting me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you. Today we're going to be stuffing my envelopes for the week, and to begin that, I'm going to empty out my cash from last week. And so we're going to start off with gas. In gas, we have 20, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So I will put that up there. Food, let's see what we have. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I'll put that up there. Beauty rolls over every week, so we leave that alone. And then in spending, I have 15. So let's see what we have left over in total. We have 20, 40, 55, 65, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So $78 left over that will go towards my savings challenges. And then today we will be stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 31. So $231 will be going into my envelopes this week. I hope everybody's having an amazing week to start off. I foresee it being a busy week, but we shall see. So in gas, I always give myself $100. I am a hospice nurse, so I do a lot of driving. Some weeks I don't have as much driving because I'm doing admissions, which keeps me at one house or facility for a long length of time, just to do that. But I do give myself $100, and then I don't want to lower it, even though I haven't been using the 100, because it just goes to savings anyway, so I'm okay with that. Food always gets $25 a week. This is if I want to stop and get any coffee or have lunch with a friend or anything like that. I do take snacks with me on the road, and of course my drinks. So beauty gets 25. Beauty I use mainly for my hair and any hygiene products that I need to buy. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125 going towards beauty. Next is spending. Spending gets $15. I am on a low spend year. So I give myself $15 just in case I stop and I want to pick up something. Then I have that money. Then I have my back to the bank. My poor Larry's are falling off. But this is money that I have to take back from using my credit card. And then I have my change, which I already took my change out and put it into my change container. Next, we're going to move into my revolving envelopes. These are ones that I use more frequently. So the first one is going to be my family and fun. I use this for anything family related that we do, or anything in the family if they need something, things like that. So family will be getting 10. I did have to use some of this, so we'll just, like I said, it's revolving. It goes up and down. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. I do need to update my trackers, but I will do that later. Birthdays will be getting 10. So birthdays has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and $95. We'll put that in there. Next is medical. Medical is fully funded at $500. Clothes, I am not putting anything in clothes right now, and I'm just rolling that over to my car maintenance because I do need things to be done for my car. So car maintenance will be getting 20 today. I did just get an oil change, so I need to take money out of here, but I'll take it out after I count it. So right now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. So 255. I just got an oil change, which was 70. So we're going to take 70 out. I think I'm just going to take it out in 10 to take it back to the bank. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So I'll put that up there. which leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. So 185 left in car maintenance. Next, we have support small. Support small will be getting 5. So we will now have, we will now have $10 into support small. In YouTube, this is going to be used for giveaways. I am on the road to 1,500 subscribers, and so I will be doing a giveaway once I hit that. So I am going to take $10 from my rollover and put it into my YouTube binder for that. So we now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90. $90 going, that will go towards some giveaway prizes. All right, moving into my dated binder. This is for anything that I'm saving that come up yearly or every other year. Car registration will be getting $10. This is actually due this month, so I need to get that paid. So we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40, and 50, which makes exactly what I need for my registration. My nursing renewal will get $5. This is every other year, but this is the year that it's due. So we have 100, 200, 10, 20, 5, 30. So 230, I believe I need 255 for that renewal. Moving will not be getting anything today. P.O. Box will get its $6. So let's see here. So 5 and 6. So we have 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $106. And let me see. I'm going to take some of these 10s and just putting it in here for now. Actually, I'm going to switch it over here. So there's 40. Which this is, so we have 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I'm going to put that in here. And then this will go up here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take 5 because I always need ones for my savings challenges. And then I'll switch that out. Okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, and 6. So $106 in the P.O. Box. And then Amazon Prime is not getting anything today as well. So that is the end of my cash stuffing. I needed to get gas, so I needed to get this out. Thank you so much for returning and for being here. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have an amazing week. Bye.